How to make money on YouTube even without being monetized. The goal of most YouTubers, especially newbies, is to make money on YouTube. Forget the fact that most people will tell you they are doing it for fun. Most of them are actually doing it to make money from it. That is why you see a lot of people, content creators on YouTube. Why? Because they want to make money. So most people want to get monetized fast so that they can get paid through YouTube revenue, not knowing that there are other ways to make money from YouTube even without being monetized. Why did I decide to share this video? Today I was going through my second YouTube account, though that account have not yet been monetized, but I discovered one thing. I'll be promoting a product on that YouTube channel for some time now, and after checking the amount I've made from that YouTube channel, I was shocked. Wow. So that is why I decided to make this video so that you, my audience, can actually learn from it. Trust me, like if I should mention the amount I make from that channel, you'll be shocked. Wow. So I've not yet monetized that and I've made this amount of money from it. Oh, so that is what I'll be teaching in the video. Trust me, this video won't be long because I'll be mentioning just only two. There are a lot too many, but I'll mention only two. That is the two that I use from my other channel that made me a lot of money. So I'll be sharing it with you. Many rest solo wise. For those of you that don't know me, and this YouTube channel, I really release video on how you can grow your YouTube channel, how to make money on your YouTube channel, and tips and tricks on how you can elevate your content creation. So if this is your first time coming across my video, why don't you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video so that anytime I leave new video, you get notified. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you're a returning viewer, I thank you. And one goes up for you. You really mean a lot for me. Thank you for coming back and watching my video. And if you're not yet subscribed, please support me by subscribing. Don't miss this opportunity because in this channel we are having a lot of fun. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel, and without more further ado, let's get to the video. Now, comment number one is promoting of affiliate link. Yeah, affiliate link. Affiliate link are link that once you promote, someone click or someone buy something from those links, stuff like that, you will get paid. There are two types of affiliate link that I know. One is the one that people just click and enter the website, do some stuff, then they'll pay you that shared the link. Another one is when you promote the link, people buy products from that link and you also get your commission. Most of us YouTubers, yes, especially our community YouTubers, we are also affiliate marketers. Trust me, I know. Most of you are actually affiliate marketers. Why don't you promote those links on your YouTube channel? Forget you don't have a lot of subscribers, you don't have 1K subscriber, but just imagine you are having like 500 views on one of your video and you promote that link on that video. Let me just assure you, if you can do proper promotion of that link, out of that 500 views that you have, trust me, at least 20 are going to click. Imagine, like, when I was doing some affiliate marketing, there was a product I was selling. That product was actually 10K, yes, 10,000 naira, and I was being paid a commission of 5,000 naira. That is 50% of it is mine. Imagine you selling that product. Just imagine, and you are having 50 people that buy that product from you. Let me just say, like 50 people buy that product for you. That is 5,000. That is 5,000 naira times 50. That is 250,000 naira. Just imagine you making that amount every month, 250,000 naira. You won't really bother about YouTube paying you, yes, YouTube monetization, because you know that you're already making money from it. That is one part about this affiliate link of a thing, making money even before you get monetized. Like, it's very simple, very easy. Like, so if you have not yet started this affiliate promotion on your YouTube channel, I just want to let you know that you are missing a lot. Why don't you start? Yeah, start promoting. Even though you don't, just put it on. After you just talk about the product, put the link on your description or just put it in the comment section of your comments. Then you will just surprise. People will go. You might just think who is going to buy, but you don't know who is going to buy. When I started this that my other channel actually it was about something different. Like I actually promoted it here, and right now I've made up to 500k from that channel, from just promoting affiliate link on that channel. Just imagine stuff like that. Like it's very profitable. So if you are not yet started doing this, go and start it now, and you're going to see the results. It's very massive. Now, number two is promoting of your own product. Yeah, for those of you that are into makeup or this, doing makeup of things, doing stuff like that, fashion designing, different things on your channel, you can promote those products on your channel, and you see people are making money from it. On my other channel, I've actually promoted my own video editing course. Yes, video editing course. Like, yes, I have a video editing course. If you want to learn from it, you are going to make a lot of money from it. Yeah. Another video editing course, for now, is on hold because I'm actually adding some things to it. That video editing course, I've actually made a lot of money from it. Yeah, just by promoting I created that video editing course. Imagine some people are buying 10,000 something, 10,000 naira something. Is it 5,000 naira course they want to buy? Because that video editing course is 10,000 naira and they are really buying it. Why don't you create your own product? Like, even big YouTubers, I know big people like Africa Giants. So for those of you that don't know, you can just go to YouTube and search for African Giant. It's a YouTuber, like a very big YouTuber based in Abuja. You have courses, like it's over more than more than 100,000 subscribers, and it's still having products that is promoting, like its own courses, different courses, have YouTube course, have video editing course, have blogging course, different course that is still promoting. And imagine a big YouTuber like that still promoting products. Just imagine stuff like that. And this guy, Fisayo, that tech guy, is also promoting products on his channel. If you are not yet, I don't know, like big content creators are doing it. Why don't you that is just coming up, why you just focus on this YouTube monetization of a team? Why don't you start creating your product or using affiliate link, and you are going to make a lot of money from it? So in this video, these are the two that I'll be mentioning, and if you want me to go more deep into it, there are a lot of them. Just go to the comment section, just say Solorise give more way to make money on YouTube channel without monetize, and I will do another video about it, and that will be part 2 of it. Yes, and trust me, that is going to be the best that you're going to see. These are just the easiest one that I know that you and there are other ways. Like in that video, I'll be sharing links. That is if you want it. Yes, I'll be sharing different links, affiliate link that you can go into, and you are going to make money from it. Yeah, that is just it. So if you are not yet subscribed, you won't see that video. Yes, so subscribe, turn notification bell, yes, and like this video so that YouTube algorithm will boost this video to more people. Also share it so that those that will like to see it, we see it. I remain Solorise, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Thanks.